jump out of our hands.
Oh my goodness.
It's just a toad.
Even
Bunch of city boys.
Come here, buddy.
Oh.
Come here, buddy.
Just get him up already.
Gotta go.
What did you get a wart?
He's sitting.
Oh, it's kind of cold in here. Dude, I need to get
The dogs don't know what to think about it.
Don't kick it.
I'm not
Get like a, you got like a shoebox or something? Slip in there.
Boy, he's a tough little. Come here, dude.
no frog.
Oh, is he okay?
Yeah, but he can secrete all kinds of.
Ew.
Whoa, dude.
No, put him in there. I'm gonna touch him.
You gonna put him in the pond? Or are you gonna put him outside?
You want to put him in the pond?
Yeah, try him in the pond.
Jump out and he'll jump all over the place eventually.
Just try it in there. Just try it in the pond.
What's he gonna sit on?
Oh, he's a swimmer.
You need a lily pad though.
Yeah, he needs something to stand on. He needs somewhere to take a break, a pit stop,
Where can he?
a big rock.
No
or something.
place, Mom.
You don't have a lily pad in there?
That's a lily pad
He's gonna go stand by
right
the fog. That's the only place he can sit is by the fog thing. He's at home
If he
now.
jumps in there, I'll kill him.
there. If he jumps in
What?
where?
Yeah, in the fogger, it'll kill him.
Why?
Because it'll vaporize
He's
him.
looking for a place
Vaporize
to take a
him?
break.
Mom, it'll vaporize him.
He's been running for a while. He's
Have you
looking
ever
for a
put your
place to
finger in that
take a
thing?
break.
It freaking hurts.
Really?
It literally pulls
Stay out of it.
He's looking for somewhere to take a break. He's been running for a
He's
minute.
trying to hide.
He's
Well,
in the
he should have
fog.
jumped in the house then. He just
You don't
jumped
have
right
any
in the
floating
door.
lily pads or anything? Floating?
No, I wonder what the fish are gonna think of him. The fish are gonna, look at, they're already, the fish
You know what?
already
They'll
know.
probably eat him.
The fish already know that there's a foreign alien in their pond.
You just gotta make sure you
You got
don't
like
have
a little-
bacteria or anything that'll kill the.
You got like a little arm floaty or something?
Yeah.
Oh, what?
Like a little arm floaty, just some kind of floaty you can climb up on.
Well, I don't know. Jacob might have
Or like-
some.
Get a lily pad.
Or like,
Ooh, yeah.
can you put it? Yeah.
Are you gonna take him outside? Does Daddy want him out?
Yeah.
You want him
I'm
out?
holding on to this.
The last thing you need to do is wake up at 4 a.m. with a
Hey, you know what would be awesome if this was level with the pond, with the water level.
We can catch more frogs some other time. We can do more
But
research.
this is an experience for Abby.
Said that'll kill him.
Well, it won't jump in it, I don't think. It should stay
Can
with
I touch the fish?
Inside voice.
Why are we screaming? Why are we screaming?
I wasn't
Jake, don't encourage her. She'll scream at any chance she gets. Inside voices. Okay, let's put
Sorry.
him outside. He's had a long run. He got vaporized almost. Let's put him outside. That's what habitat. He's gonna jump. He's gonna jump. Give him the net. He's gonna jump.
Give me the net. Yeah. Let me
Oh, there he goes. There he goes over the ionizer. There you go.
Put the wrist strap on. That's not smart.
Oh, okay. Just don't bring him over towards me, okay?
I know, I get you. I'm scared too.
Alright, give him out.
You were gonna pick him up, Abby.
No, I wasn't gonna.
He's going to take him out there somewhere. Come on, little froggy, before you get
Can
out.
I touch him?
No, you didn't get work, remember?
You didn't want to touch him when I asked you to pick him up. I was holding the dog.
That was exciting.